Let's love sign. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. You sign. Happy Halloween. Good. Happy Halloween from Dizzy Deliveries.
Have you ever seen a pumpkin that big?
Ah! Boom! Trick or treat! Bubnubia!
He scared us.
Johanna Hanna Harde! Happy Halloween!
Huh?
Via! You grew wings!
This is just my Halloween costume, Glaheen.
That's a very clever Bubnubia Via. Good trick.
It's not a trick. It's just a costume. I'm a pirate. See?
Arg!
Whoa!
Derek, I think you need some fresh air. How about a song from your best buddy, Nitrogen? It's a beautiful day for growing a pumpkin. Ooh, yeah! Aha! I bet you're hungry, Derek. Would you like some plant food? Ha! Super Nom Nom plant food. Use only teeny tiny amounts as directed.
Hey, Nitrogen! Trick or treat!
Oh, Sulfur, Phosphorus, it's you! Sorry, guys. I don't have time for trick-or-treating today.
Huh?
Okay, doesn't have time for trick or treat?
We'll see about that.
Now, Derek, you'll be back to your old self in no time. Oh, no.
Whoops!
This is bad. This is really bad. You're only supposed to use a teeny tiny amount.
Yeah, what's the worst that could happen?
Oh.
Uh-oh!
It'll be fine. I promise.
Did it work?
Very original indeed, Tommy, and not the easiest costume to dance in with those flippers.
I'm not dancing. I'm swimming, Miss Teach. Watch out. Here comes a big scary fish.
Okay, who's next?
Arr! Shiver me timbers!
Wonderful, Maya. If I didn't know it was you, I'd think there was a real pirate in the room.
I am a real pirate, which is why I'm so scary. Arr!
Maya seems to have impressed Miss Teach.
Ah, Sophie Play and Lucy Help. You are by far the scariest teapot and teacup I've ever seen.
Oh, banana coming through.
And what do we have here? Who's inside this costume, then? What did they say?
I don't know.
Well, a talking banana is scary enough for me. I wouldn't want to find you in my fruit bowl. Okay, then. I think I've seen everybody. All I have to do now is pick a winner. That's not going to be easy at all. Everybody scored very highly. Oh.
How will Miss Teach choose the best costume when they're all so good?
Goodness me. This little ghost just gave me a fright.
This is Sammy. Hello.
Hello, Sammy. You know, I've never been given a fright before, but it's actually rather fun.
won! You scared Miss Teach! Yay!
And I think I'm ready to announce the winner of the scariest costume competition. The prize goes to Sammy Go for having the scariest costume and the best boo I've ever heard.
You did it, Sammy! You were the scariest out of everyone! Boo! Ah!
See? There's nothing to be scared of. Let's catch up with Alva. It's the ghost!
It's only me.
Oh, my.
Shh. I think I found the real ghost. Over here.
Uh-oh.
Shh. Oh.
I can't look. Is it scary?
Well, the ghost looks really sad.
And translucent. Sounds horrible.
I think Mo was saying you can sort of see right through it. And it looks a bit like... Glump.
Is he crying?
Aww. What's wrong?
You can see me?
Yes, although you are currently at 60% opacity.
Wow.
I knew it. No such thing as ghosts.
I wouldn't mind if I was a ghost.
Why would you say that?
Skater and Humblebluff are ignoring me.
Why would trolls ignore another troll?
Something sounds fishy. Let's help Glump.
Help a troll?
Oh, my.
You can see how upset he is. It's not nice to feel ignored.
But where are Skater and Humblebluff?
Boo!
Aha! That sounds like troll scaring Oolies to me. Let's go. You two, Glump. Stop scaring the Oolies.
Oh, why, yes, of course, we won't.
Skater, Humblebluff, it's me. Can I join in?
Did you hear something, Skater?
Nope, didn't hear a thing. Come on, Humblebluff, let's find more Oolies to boo-boo-booly.
Well, they're definitely ignoring you.
What happened before they started doing this?
We were just getting ready to start scaring Oolies when it happened.
Well, whatever the reason, nobody should treat others in a way that hurts them. Don't worry, Glump. We'll figure it out.
Oh, yes, be more careful. Oh, what a relief. Bye, Clickies. Glad I could help. Ah, there you all are.
Hi, Mayor Garth.
Hello, Alva. Mo, Pom, Beam. What's that? Is that a ghost?
It's Glump. He's sad and see-through because the trolls are ignoring him.
Fascinating. I've heard about this gizmo strange phenomenon where if someone's ignored, they almost disappear. Ingizable, that's what it's called. But no one's ever mean enough in Gizmo to make someone ingizable.
And no one should ever be made to feel ingizable. But it's giving me an idea that might help Glump.
Trollerific.
I'm bored. How comes there's no Oolies to scare? Huh?
Sounds like the Oolies are having fun. Let's ruin it.
What?
Nah. Glump, what are you doing?
Glump is an honorary Oolie for a day. We're cheering him up because you made him feel ingizable. so he gets loads of trolley pops and treats.
Make us honorary oolies.
Ugh, that sounds disgusting. Just give us trolley pops and treats. You're welcome to join the party, but there's only one honorary oolie at a time.
We want trolley pops and treats. Glump.
Another trolley pop. Don't mind if I do.
Glump, now's your chance to tell Humblebluff and Skaither how you feel.
You hurt me when you made me feel invisible. I want to be a troll, but not if you're going to ignore me. Why did you ignore me?
That's easy. We wanted to scare oolies, just me and Humblebluff.
You're no good at scaring oolies, so we ignored you.
That wasn't a nice thing to do.
How would you know? You're not a troll.
Glump, do you really want to be an honorary oolie? Come with us.
We'll let you scare oolies with us, even if you're rotten at it.
How about I share my treats with you if you help me practice my boos?
Deal.
Okay, Accordia, good joke. We know you like playing tricks. Happy Halloween! Come on, let's go have some fun.
But this is fun! Don't you just love tricks?
I think I prefer the treats part of Halloween.
And I much prefer making decorations.
You're galore. Accordia, look, I'm a pumpkin.
Huh?
A dancing pumpkin. What was that noise?
Okay, Kuon. We know it's just another funny trick.
Ooh. A papuka! A ghost? Where? Ooh. Papuka!
Kuon, this is a terrible trick. There's no ghost here.
I thought we finished playing Bob Nobia and we were going to decorate.
Tiara, stop! It's a puka!
Huh? Wait a second.
Bob Nobia. Sloan.
It was Cheep Cheep.
That trick was too scary. Yeah, that's not how we like to play Bob Nobia.
I guess not everyone likes when tricks are played.
Oh, sorry, Accordia. We thought it would be fun to play some tricks. Tá Broner, Accordia.
That's okay. Come on, it's Pumpkini time.
Bob Nobia!
I don't know, Pip. I think I've had enough Bob Nobia for today.
Oskalea Chara?
Huh? Oh, wow! Thank you, Pip.
Thank you, Pip. This is Air Rouse.
Rotten.
Make your voice a little deeper.
Boo!
Better.
Boo!
Better.